Absolutely yes, if you're able to do three things. Keep it in perspective by treating it as such, maintaining risk management, and having self-control by policing yourself. One of the best things about day trading as a side hustle is it's all up to you. It's you, your mouse, and that computer screen. Or your phone if you decide to trade that way. I personally can't trade with a phone. As a scalp trader, I'm in and out quick. I need to see several things at once. The phone's too small and it's just too fiddly. But back to the three things. Treat it for what it is, as a side hustle. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Get the Lamborghini out of your head. You're bringing in extra funds above and beyond your main source of income. Second issue, maintaining your risk. Don't bite off more than you can chew. Do not try to turn every trade into a home run. That's been the end of many traders and many trading accounts. Base hits is what you're going for. And the third issue, which is always the hardest, self-control and policing yourself. Don't hold and hope if a trade turns against you. I run a stop loss. I allow that stop loss to take me out of a trade if it's going against me. You actually have to put more energy and focus on your losses than you do your wins. Wins are going to happen. You could close your eyes and just throw a dart, pick a random stock, and get a winning trade. But you have to protect your account so you can live and survive to trade tomorrow. You have very little control over your wins. You don't know how high it's going to go. It depends on when you get out, when you got in. There's just a lot of factors involved. But you have 100% full control over your losses and how much you're willing to lose per trade. So trading the market is a great source of extra income as long as you don't turn it into a casino and go all crazy with it. If you're a beginner trader, practice. Paper trade over and over again. There's tons of resources out there. There's all kinds of trading styles. You need to find what works for you. And that comes from time and experience. If you're not profitable paper trading, you'll never be profitable trading in the real world. So to wrap this up, let your wins add up, control those losses, withdraw your profits on a regular basis, and this could be a nice side hustle where you're profitable weekly and monthly. And I'm going to show that next week when I'll be doing an end-of-month recap for September here, 2024. So thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you in the next video.